temporal anomalies aren't the only phenomena accelerating beyond natural limits in 2025. Plant growth acceleration reaches impossible speeds. Botanical research facilities worldwide documented plant growth rates in 2025 that completely violated every known biological law governing cellular development and energy consumption. Oak trees grew from seedlings to full maturity within 3 months. Corn stalks reach heights exceeding 30 feet while producing grain kernels larger than golf balls. These growth rates required energy inputs that shouldn't exist in natural photosynthesis processes. Cellular analysis revealed these rapidly developing plants displayed internal structures that didn't match their genetic blueprints. DNA testing confirmed the species, yet microscopic examination showed cellular arrangements completely foreign to those plant types. Cell walls contain materials and organizational patterns that don't appear in normal botanical development. The accelerated growth occurred exclusively in regions with electromagnetic field readings measuring 15 to 20% above normal background levels. Areas without these specific field configurations showed standard plant development rates, confirming electromagnetic influence on biological processes. Genetic sequencing exposed the most disturbing discovery yet. These plants accessed dormant DNA sequences that evolutionary biologists calculated hadn't been active for millions of years. Ancient genetic programs somehow reactivated, producing characteristics that extinct plant species possessed long before modern vegetation evolved. The phenomenon spread to new species monthly throughout 2025. The plants appeared to evolve toward increased electromagnetic sensitivity and enhanced cellular efficiency for unknown purposes. However, accelerated biological processes aren't the only mysteries that remote locations are revealing through advanced archaeological investigation. Flannan Isles Lighthouse keepers quantum disappearance. Scotland's remote Flannan Isles became the site of groundbreaking archaeological excavations in 2025 that uncovered quantum signature evidence proving the missing lighthouse keepers existed across multiple timelines simultaneously. Advanced quantum field detectors found residual energy patterns throughout the lighthouse structure that showed the 3 men occupying different temporal dimensions during their final days on the island. Personal belongings recovered from the excavation sites displayed impossible aging patterns that spanned decades within minutes. A pocket watch showed rust accumulation equivalent to 50 years of exposure, while papers in the same drawer remained perfectly preserved. These temporal distortions affected objects randomly rather than following any logical pattern. The lighthouse structure itself functions as an accidental time displacement device according to quantum field analysis. The building's unique stone construction combined with iron framework creates electromagnetic conditions that destabilize local space-time when specific weather patterns occur. Quantum measurements revealed the Flannan Isles sits directly on a natural dimensional intersection point where multiple realities converge. This location allows temporal displacement events during storm conditions that match historical weather records from December 1900. Similar keeper disappearances occurred at lighthouses in Nova Scotia, Tasmania, and Norway throughout 2025. Most disturbing is evidence suggesting the original Flannan keepers remain alive but trapped within parallel time streams that occasionally intersect with our reality. However, these terrestrial mysteries pale compared to signals arriving from the depths of space itself. Deep space radio signals form galactic message grid. Radio telescopes worldwide recorded coordinated signal transmissions, forming a vast communication network that spans multiple galaxies. These aren't random cosmic noise patterns. The signals demonstrate deliberate organization and mathematical precision across distances that should make coordination impossible. AI analysis revealed the transmissions contain mathematical proofs for physics theories that human scientists haven't discovered yet. These equations describe energy manipulation methods and dimensional travel concepts that exceed current scientific understanding by centuries. The mathematical sequences suggest knowledge levels far beyond anything Earth-based civilizations have achieved. Throughout 2025, the signal network expanded to incorporate Earth-based radio transmission from satellites, cell towers, and communication systems. Our planet's electromagnetic signature became integrated into this galactic communication grid without any human authorization or understanding of the process. Most remarkable are the technology blueprints embedded within these signals. AI systems decoded detailed instructions for faster-than-light communication devices and energy generation systems using principles that don't exist in current physics textbooks. The signals appear designed to teach humanity advanced scientific concepts through gradual information release. Earth's inclusion in this network coincides perfectly with major technological breakthroughs achieved throughout 2025. However, extraterrestrial communications aren't the only mysterious substances reaching Earth's surface with impossible biological properties. Oakville Blobs biological impossibility confirmed. Advanced chemical analysis completed in 2025 proved the Oakville Blobs contain biological compounds that can't exist under Earth's atmospheric conditions. These gelatinous masses that fell from Washington's sky in 1994 finally underwent sophisticated testing that revealed molecular structures requiring environmental conditions not found anywhere on our planet. The compounds demonstrate stability in atmospheric pressures and temperature ranges that don't occur naturally in Earth's environment. DNA extraction from preserved blob samples produced results that shocked geneticists worldwide. The genetic material contained sequences from organisms that paleontologists confirmed went extinct millions of years ago. These ancient genetic markers appear perfectly preserved within the blob structure, suggesting preservation methods that exceed anything known to modern science. Reports documented similar blob falls occurring across 6 continents throughout 2025 with dramatically increasing frequency. Each incident shared identical characteristics, including the presence of impossible biological compounds and ancient genetic materials. Laboratory analysis revealed the blobs demonstrate dual properties combining living organism behaviors with advanced nanotechnology capabilities. The substances exhibit self-replication abilities while interacting with surrounding matter at molecular levels. Medical studies confirmed that people exposed to the blobs developed enhanced immune system responses and improved cognitive abilities that persisted for months after contact. The blobs appear designed to function as biological terraforming technology capable of systematically modifying Earth's ecosystem through mechanisms that operate far beneath the surface. Mysterious boom seismic signatures reveal underground network. While these surface phenomena challenge our understanding of biology, underground forces are revealing an even more disturbing reality. Global seismic monitoring stations recorded something in 2025 that changed everything geologists thought they understood about Earth's underground structure. Mysterious booms originating from depths exceeding 30,000 feet revealed a vast network of artificial tunnels connecting every continent to the planet's core. These weren't natural geological formations. The tunnels displayed engineering precision that required construction capabilities beyond anything humans possess. The booms follow timing patterns so precise they operate like a planetary clock system. Every 4 hours and 23 minutes, coordinated sound bursts emerge from networked nodes across 6 continents simultaneously. This mathematical precision suggests artificial coordination operating on a global scale. Underground construction activity accelerated throughout 2025 as seismic equipment detected continuous excavation and expansion within the network. New tunnel branches appear monthly while existing passages widen at measurable rates. Acoustic analysis revealed encoded information embedded within subsonic frequencies below human hearing range. These data transmissions contain mathematical sequences and geometric patterns that suggest sophisticated communication protocols. Most disturbing is how network expansion directly correlates with increased earthquake activity worldwide. Regions showing tunnel growth experienced 300% more seismic events than previous years. The network appears designed to trigger coordinated geological instability across multiple continents simultaneously, suggesting preparation for a planned global catastrophic event. However, underground construction isn't the only phenomenon leaving behind dangerous radiation signatures at mysterious death sites. Dyatlov Pass incident's quantum radiation evidence. Forensic scientists examining the Dyatlov Pass incident discovered something that challenges every known law of physics. Quantum forensic analysis conducted on the victims in 2025 revealed exposure to radiation forms that exist only in theoretical physics textbooks. This mysterious radiation doesn't match any known atomic decay patterns or electromagnetic signatures documented in scientific literature. The energy readings showed particle behaviors that contradict fundamental physics principles governing radioactive materials. The radiation creates cellular modifications that allowed the victims to survive extreme sub-zero temperatures that should have caused instant death. Their body tissues displayed unusual crystalline formations and altered protein structures that function like biological antifreeze systems. These cellular changes shouldn't be possible through any known biological processes. Monitoring equipment confirmed the radiation source remains active decades later, continuously affecting plant growth and soil composition throughout the region. Wildlife in the area shows genetic mutations and behavioral anomalies that increase annually. Analysis suggests the radiation opened temporary dimensional portals where different physical laws operated briefly. Material samples from the site contain isotopes that don't exist naturally in our universe. Similar quantum radiation signatures appear at unexplained death locations across Russia, Canada, and Northern Europe throughout 2025. Each site shares identical energy patterns and environmental effects. Evidence increasingly points toward interdimensional weapons testing as the source of this impossible radiation that continues affecting biological systems worldwide. Mass animal deaths reveal global environmental shift. These biological disruptions extend beyond isolated incidents to encompass systematic changes affecting entire ecosystems. Environmental monitoring stations worldwide documented mass animal deaths throughout 2025 caused by fundamental shifts in Earth's electromagnetic field. These changes disrupted navigation systems in birds, marine mammals, and insects using magnetic field detection for migration routes. The electromagnetic frequencies causing these disruptions don't occur naturally in Earth's atmospheric conditions. The field changes originated from artificial sources using unknown technology broadcasting coordinated signals across multiple continents. Human populations exposed to these altered electromagnetic environments showed measurable changes in brain chemistry affecting memory formation and decision-making processes. Most disturbing was discovering these electromagnetic modifications systematically prepare Earth's biosphere for compatibility with non-terrestrial biological requirements through planned ecosystem transformation.